Illuminate your adventures with the Sofirn HS42 Headlamp, a high-performance 2100 lumen light built for outdoor enthusiasts, workers, and everyday carry users. Featuring a versatile triple LED setup, 1x SST40, 6000K for powerful white light, 3x CSP2323, 5000K, 90 CRI for natural color rendering, and 2x HFL1R red LEDs for night vision. The HS42 adapts effortlessly to any environment. Powered by a single 18650 rechargeable lithium battery, this compact headlamp also doubles as a mini power bank, keeping your devices charged in emergencies. With a USB Type-C charging port, you can recharge quickly and conveniently from any power source. Constructed from durable Al6061 T6 aluminum alloy, the HS42 is IP66 waterproof and impact resistant, designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Its eSwitch interface provides smooth operation between multiple lighting modes, while the magnetic base allows for hands-free use, ideal for camping, repairs, or night work. Specifications: emitter, 1x SST40 6000 Kelvin LED, 3x CSP2323 5000 Kelvin 90 CRI LEDs, 2x HFL1R red LEDs, 2100 lumens. Battery, 1x 18650 rechargeable lithium battery. Working voltage, 3.0 volts to 4.2 volts. Operation mode, eSwitch. Charging, USB Type-C fast charging. Material, Al6061 T6 aviation grade aluminum alloy. Water resistance, IP66 rain and dust proof. Dimensions, 26 mm times 27.2 mm times 112 mm. Features magnetic base, power bank function. Multiple light modes. A blank. Press brake. Yes, let's summarize the details. Wide and powerful beam for outdoor and indoor use. Yes, let's triple LED design. White, high CRI, and red light for every scenario. Yes, USB-C fast charging. Recharge anywhere, anytime. Yes, let's built-in power bank. Charge your phone or other USB devices. Yes. Strong magnetic base and hands-free use. Perfect for working or camping. Yes, durable and waterproof. IP66 rated aluminum body for rugged conditions. Yes, compact and lightweight. Easy to carry. Ideal for EDC or travel. Perfect for camping, hiking, emergency, night fishing, repairs, outdoor work, power outages, EDC. Light up your adventure with the Sofirn HS42. Whether you're out camping, repairing gear, or exploring the night, this versatile 2100 LM headlamp delivers reliable power and convenience wherever you go. Order now and experience the perfect balance of brightness, durability, and portability.